Hello and welcome back to my channel. Let's start painting this Tundra. Alright, starting off. First of all, I want to mention that I had a couple of comments saying that why am I painting the truck in pieces? How come I don't just paint it completely? There's a couple of reasons. One of them, this truck is huge. As you saw, it has a lift, and I had to remove the air from the tires in order to bring the truck down so I don't hit that ceiling. That's one of the main reasons. Second, this truck is getting an overall paint job, so I'm removing everything so that I can get the paint underneath every little nook and cranny. Even the windshield was removed. So those are the reasons that I'm painting it separate. It gives you a better finish, and it allows you to go into every little nook and cranny that the truck has. You need to do this if you want a good paint job. So the truck is ready. I'm going to be painting the top of the cab and the cab. That's what's going to be painted. The doors are going to be removed. They're going to be painted separate. The hood's going to be removed. That's going to be painted separate. Another thing is that if you paint an entire truck in pieces, make sure, this is very important, make sure that you're using the exact same paint gallon to paint the entire truck. Now, if you buy 2 gallons of paint because you think it's not going to be enough, mix them. Mix both gallons together in a bucket so that every piece that you paint is going to be the exact same color. Because if you do use 1 gallon, you didn't have enough, but you have an extra gallon and you start using that one, that paint mixture might not be the same and you're going to have a color difference. So make sure you mix both gallons together so that everything's uniform. Also, make sure that you use the exact amount of coats that you used. On the tailgate, I used 3 coats and 1 flow coat. Not flow coat, I'm sorry. Drop coat. Okay, control coat. Whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm going to be doing to this part. Let's just get started. Start applying that sealer. Here it is, first coat. You saw me apply the sealer, also one coat. I'm going to be applying 2 more coats and then the drop coat. So there it is. Another thing I want to mention, guys, is whenever you're painting, I've seen a lot of painters or a lot of people not wearing a mask whenever you're painting. Guys, wear a mask. When I was like 15, 16 years old, when I first started painting, I went to the hospital twice because of this, because of not wearing a mask. So I learned my lesson. I'm telling you my experience. Wear a mask. The 3rd coat has been applied. Now we're gonna wait about 20 minutes for it to dry, come back, clean it with a tack rag, and then we can start with that control coat. All right, the reason for the control coat, I want the metallics to land perfectly, so we don't have any tiger striping, any blotchiness or anything. So let's just wait and we'll come back. There you saw the control coat. Now I'm just gonna let it set for about 15 minutes. Come back, use the tack rag again, clean it up so that I can start applying that clear. Here we go. I applied 4 coats of clear on the top, 3 coats of clear on the sides. Reason being is that this gets a lot of sunlight. But there it is. Really nice. And that's it. This will be it. This will be it for this video, guys. Now, after this, I'm going to be painting the hood. Then I'll go with the doors. But this will be it. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Have a great week. Remember, this Wednesday, there's an unboxing video. Like always, guys, God bless.